It's been a while since I've done a vlog. I was not planning to do one today, but I just ended up in such a lovely spot. These are the last days of the sakura now, the cherry blossoms. I'm so happy I decided to go out today and catch some of the last moments of the flowers. I probably have petals on my hair. It's all around. But actually this video has a main topic and a purpose. I wanted to share a little bit about the subject of plein air paintings. Paintings that I like to do outdoors in Japan when I visit places here in Japan. I usually do them with my friend Nadine, that you might see later on in this video. I have a small sketchbook and some watercolors in a small bag, and I carry them with me and bring them to places that I go to. And usually that way I feel a deeper connection to the environment that I visit. I get to absorb it better and really stop for a moment and be in it. It's a wonderful thing to do, and I think everyone can do it. I actually had a lot of problems to do it at the beginning. I thought, oh, I'm not good enough at painting. I cannot capture the scene, the moment. I cannot paint well enough in public. But the more I do it without thinking too much, and I just put some paint on the paper, I liberate myself from this kind of thoughts. So here I have the current equipment of painting outdoors. This is my current sketchbook for it. It's a new sketchbook. I think it's just the right size, the size of my hand. Watercolor paper. I don't remember how many grams, but it's pretty thick. I didn't do much in here yet. Something I started a day ago. It's a sakura, but I drifted away. This is my current bag of brushes and colors. This is my watercolors, and this is my current brushes, and there's a pencil as well. Also this little jar that I like. I put water on it, or tea if I only have tea, like for example right now. So this is how it looks from the inside. I like that I can change the colors when I want to, and yeah, currently I'm really pleased with these colors. You look dead.
Oh, the sun. Oh, we should eat.
You made a very beautiful painting. such bright colors. So alive. How do you feel about it?
I feel good about it.
Yeah?
Yeah. There is one thing that I think I'll fix later.
What is it?
This area right here is supposed to have a bit more of the white. And so I think I'll add it later with white watercolor.
I see.
This part, basically, I covered it by accident.
Hmm.
Other than that, though, I like how it
I
came
think
out.
it is very beautiful.
Thank you.
What do you like about mine?
I really like the colors you've used. I think they're very close to like the actual colors of the mountain at the time.
Uh-huh.
Like the very natural, like grayish, bluish, purplish color of the mountain.
I'm glad you think so.
I also love how simple it is. It's like the mountain, and then the green hill, and the lake. Like 3 loops, kind of. And I think it's a compelling composition.
Oh, thank you. We are on top of Mitsutoge mountain, and it was quite a difficult hike, right?
Yes, it was difficult.
It took us about, I don't know, maybe 3 hours?
Yeah.
Maybe a bit more, because I like to stop a lot. But now we're sitting in a very beautiful spot. And we're about to paint Fujisan again. Hey, I am not entirely sure how long has passed since I filmed the beginning of this video. It is just a pretty busy time. There are a lot of things going on, and I stopped filming and making videos, which is a bit sad because I had many plans to make. Anyway, I wanted to show you that in the previous part of this video I actually didn't use my hand size sketchbook. I used the same kind of sketchbook but a bigger size that I had before, and this is how some of the paintings I was doing before came out. This is Fujisan, and this one from the top of the mountain after the climb. And actually I still didn't complete this one. I was thinking to complete it from a photograph that I took of the area. Maybe one day it will happen. But also I wanted to show you like a much older sketchbook that I have from here in Japan, from painting outdoors. It's this sketchbook. It's probably my most favorite sketchbook for outdoor paintings that I've ever had. And here are some of the paintings. This is in Kyoto, in the Kamogawa River. It's probably my favorite river in Japan, the Kamogawa in Kyoto. This is Nadine sitting in a coffee place and painting. I painted her. It was a really strange coffee place we found ourselves in. We often find ourselves in very strange coffee place in Tokyo. This is something I started and never finished. It's in the little garden by my house. This is something I took out of my sketchbook. I did it in Okuniko, Okuniko, like the inside of Nikko. It's part of the forest mountain area. This is another painting I've done in Kyoto. I added this character later, not while I was there. But this is from Fushimi Inari. Fushimi Inari is a very famous shrine in Kyoto. And when I visited Israel this past summer, I took this sketchbook with me and I painted some painting, mostly in the Galilee, where I stayed with my dad, with special oil pastels, but they are pastel colors. So this is what I used. I took them with me and I sat with them outside and painted some scenes. I'm not sure why I chose these pastel colors for Israel. There's something about the environment there that I feel like called for these specific colors. And overall I'm pretty pleased about what I painted there. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully they will not be too long before I will make another video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in art videos from Japan. Maybe it will motivate me to make more videos. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!